Hey guys, wanted to do a quick video. I got to give a big shout out to Andy Sullivan for giving me this idea in the first place. Um, Part of what I do on a daily basis is think about what are some ways that we can improve the experience for everyone in our system. How can we deliver a better experience for our customers? How can we get more customers? How can we improve the business overall? And Andy had posted in Slack that he's doing a Girl Scout car care day. And I thought to myself, well, what if we did something similar for every week? There's a theme to the week that we can do on social, that you can do on Google My Business, they can do to uh, try to pull in more customers and get their attention on social without having to spend money. Right now we're talking to this company in Central Illinois that's 10 locations. We're thinking about acquiring them. They're called Big Rays, and they give out $100 to a customer every week. And they post on their Facebook every week, comment on this post, share it. We're giving $100 away. And then on Friday, they announce the winner. Those posts have a ton of comments. Those posts have a ton of replies, ton of shares. And that process, while I do think is actually against the terms of service of Facebook, the function of it, I think, probably improves their organic reach so that when you do have posts that you put on your Facebook page, it's more likely to be seen by other folks that are scrolling on their page, or in the case of Google My Business, searching for you, putting you higher up in the search rank because you're always posting on Google My Business, so on and so forth. So I created a website called cal.costaoils.com, cal.costaoils.com. There's no reason for me to introduce this at the town hall in a couple of weeks because you're going to get an email on Sunday. I structured this in a way to be forward looking for each month, and essentially each week is going to be its own theme. So I already submitted everybody's emails to this, so everybody is going to be able to get the weekly email that prepares them for the week. First and foremost, if you go to cal.costoils.com, you can switch from light to dark, light to dark. If you don't like the contrast, the dark is nice. If you do, this page is fine. So what happens here is each week has its own theme. And so next week, which is the 8th through the 14th, if you click on it, it gives you your post, it gives you the hashtags, it shows you an idea for a giveaway, and shows you an idea for a giveaway post, for the Instagram giveaway post. It's all one click copy. Um, Gives you posting tips based off of whatever current engagement traction is, suggested posting schedule based on whatever current posting best engagement statistics are. Um, it gives you an AI image prompt, which this is something I'm tinkering with the auto generate because I want it to be a cohesive theme. And just like I'm very sensitive to AI slop, I think that it's really obvious when some of our competitors are making really crappy images using AI. So if you click on generate image, I'm going to play around with it. I don't want to do it right now, but you can copy the prompt, put it in your AI of choice. But if you use the generate image one, that's the best way to get kind of a uniform effort. So anyway, it has the theme for all the weeks of March. If you go down, it actually has one. It has all the weeks, all 52 weeks of the year, winter, spring, summer, and fall. And I just think this could be a really neat tool for all of us to use and get on the same page, um, in terms of our social cohesion, but also just that organic reach potential that could come from this website. So, as always, with all these new tools that I've been creating lately, please give me your feedback. And if you find issues, I'm able to uh, iterate the product. And these products are recursive, meaning that the more that we build upon it, the better it's going to continue to get. And so, just continue to use it. Let me know where it falls short. Let me know where it's really good. And we'll continue to work towards being the best oil change company in the country. Thanks, everybody.